How to file a personal injury claim for eye injuries caused by accident. Hello everyone and welcome. If you or someone you know has suffered an eye injury due to an accident, this video is for you. Today we will walk you through the step of filing a personal injury claim for eye injuries. We will break everything down into simple terms so you can understand the process and take the right step to protect your right. An eye injury can be life changing. It can affect your vision, your daily activity, and even your ability to work. That is why it is important to file a claim if someone else's negligence caused your injury. Filing a claim can help you get compensation for medical expenses, lost wage, pain and suffering, and more. The first step in filing a personal injury claim is seeking medical attention. As soon as the injury happens, go to a doctor. Your health comes first, and a medical report will serve as crucial evidence for your claim. The medical report will document the extent of your injury, the treatment required, and the impact of your vision. The next step is gathering evidence. If possible, take picture of the accident scene, your injury, and anything that may have caused it. Collect witness statement and get the contact information of anyone who saw what happened. If the accident occurred in a public place, check if there are security cameras that may have recorded it. If it was a workplace injury, report it to your supervisor immediately. Once you have collected the necessary evidence, it is time to consult a personal injury lawyer. An experienced lawyer will guide you through the legal process and help you understand your right. They will also assess the value of your claim and negotiate with insurance companies on your behalf. Remember, insurance company often try to pay as little as possible, so having a lawyer can make a big difference. After consulting a lawyer, the next step is filing the claim. Your lawyer will draft a demand letter that outlines your injuries, the medical cost, lost income, and other damage. This letter is sent to the responsible parties or their insurance company. They will then respond with a settlement offer or deny the claim. If they offer a settlement, your lawyer will negotiate to ensure you receive fair compensation. If a fair settlement is not reached, your case may go to your court. In court, your lawyer will present evidence and argue your case behalf a judge or jury. The goal is to prove that the other party was negligent and that their action caused your injury. If the court rules in your favor, you will be awarded compensation. Throughout this process, it is important to keep all medical bills, receipt, and record of any expenses related to your injuries. These documents will help prove your financial losses and strengthen your case. Another key factor in a personal injury claim is the statute of limitation. This is the time limit you have to file a claim. The deadline vary by a state or country, so it is important to act quickly. If you miss the deadline, you may lose your right to compensation. Many people wonder how long the entire process takes. The timeline varies depending on the complexity of the case, the willingness of the insurance company to settle, and whether the case goes to trial. Some claims are settled within months, while others may take years. If you are worried about legal fees, many personal injury lawyers work on a contingency basis. This means you do not to pay anything upfront. The lawyer only get paid if you win your case. This makes it easier for anyone to get legal help without worrying about the cost. To summarize, if you have suffered an eye injury due to an accident, take the following step. First step is seek medical attention, and second is gather evidence. Third is consult a personal injury lawyer, and fourth is file a claim. And finally, be prepared to negotiate or go to court if necessary. Eye injury can have a lasting impact on your life, but by taking the right legal step, you can receive the compensation you deserve. Do not wait too long to take action. If you or a loved one has experienced an eye injury, speak to a lawyer today and start the claim process. Remember, many people wonder how long the entire process takes. The timeline varies depending on the complexity of the case and the willingness of the insurance company to settle, and whether the case goes to trial. Some claims are settled within months, while others may take years. And another key point is, if a fair settlement is not reached, your case may be go to court. In court, your lawyer will present evidence and argue your case before a judge or jury. The goal is to prove that the other party was negligent and that their action caused your injury. If the court rules in your favor, you will be awarded compensation. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more legal tips and advice. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comment below. Stay safe and take care.